Namaste to all the viewers joining us from across the world. Amway presents International Day of Yoga Festival 2020. तो आइए आप सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सभी की तरफ से आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस पे। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री ने आज अपने संदेश में यही कहा है कि योग भारत की सभ्यता भी है, योग भारत की वसीयत भी है और योग भारत का मूल मंत्र होना चाहिए। Also acknowledging our event producers, Union, Red Carpet Entertainers. This program is sponsored by Amway India and also co-powered by Ozone International, Ozone Organic. And the co-hosts of this program are also the Nehru Foundation and the Nehru Center, London High Commission. Acknowledging our support by the Ministry of Ayush, FSSAI, E-Tribe Foundation, International Naturopathy Organization, Kukri Jaipur, our distribution partners and co-hosts. Once again, a big shout out to Nehru Center, High Commission of India, Mystics of India, Sadhguru and Green Dream Foundation and Spiritual TV. It is such a pleasure and honor to have such celebrities gracing us on IDY 20. Let's just blaze this year's International Yoga Day. My co-host today is on a segment in Amway, who is none other than the very visionary Ajay Khanna ji, who is the Chief Marketing Officer of Amway. He's here with me. Bahut namaskar aapko. And I'll leave you to take this session ahead. But before I go, viewers, it is my duty to thank all the people who joined us yesterday and many more joining us today so that you guys stay tuned in. Priyanka Chaturvedi, many thanks. Ritu Beri, Vivek Oberoi, Amish Tripathi, Madhur Bhandarkar, Isha Kopikar, Jaydeep Elawat, Jaydeep and Sarah Jane Dias are joining us in another segment. Stay tuned. Aisha Supriya MR, Mohanji, Dr. Frawley, Pavan Agarwal ji, Chovna Narayan, Adhi Bhagwati ji, Nehru Center London, Amway MOI Union. Namaste. Anshu ji, please take over. Ajay sir, please take.
Yeah, thank you so much, Nidhi. A very warm welcome to all of you to this Amway session, which has been specifically curated for all our viewers who want to kind of practice healthy living. And I know today everybody wants to practice healthy living even more than ever. So let's first kind of start talking about, I don't know how many of you have heard of 8 W's of wellness. And actually how the current pandemic requires us to be even more conscious about holistic wellness. So let me first kind of talk about all the 8 W's. The first is the emotional wellness, where each one of us is paying attention to self-care, to relaxation, to stress reduction, and the development of inner resources and strength so that one can learn and grow through the experiences. The second is financial wellness, which involves actually the process of learning how to successfully manage our finances, how to generate incomes, how to manage our expenses. Third is occupational wellness, and that is about enjoying one's occupational endeavors and appreciating one's own contributions there to family and the society. Fourth, social wellness, which helps one perform one's social roles more effectively and allowing encouraging relationships with everybody around us. Fifth, which we are seeing now with the environment transforming, is the environmental wellness, which inspires us to live a lifestyle that is respectful to our surroundings. Sixth is intellectual wellness, and that's all about having an open mind when one encounters new situations, new ideas. Seventh is physical wellness, which all of us are very well aware about, which relates to maintaining a very healthy body. And eighth, last but not the least, is spiritual wellness, which allows one to develop a set of values that helps in seeking personal meaning and purpose. Now, all of these together actually is about gaining about consciousness on holistic wellness. And let me assure you, at Amway, we are playing a very critical role in each of these spheres, whether it is through our 550,000 micro entrepreneurs, out of which over 60% are women, who are practicing many of these not only for themselves, but they're helping others too on a daily basis, or be it through our brands as Nutrilite, which has pioneered plant-based supplementation and has been advocating holistic health for last 80 years. No wonder today Nutrilite is world's #1 vitamins, mineral, and dietary supplement brand, having a strong seed to supplement story, a traceability story which stems from over 6,000 acres of organic farms that we own, one of the largest in the world. Our mission is obviously to help people through our brands, through our people, our channel, and our brands to help others live a better and a much healthier life. Now, to take this discussion forward, I would now welcome Dr. Gohar Vatsayan, who is the HOD Department of Panchkarna at the Guru Nanak Ayurvedic Medical College and Research Institute, Ludhiana, and our passionate Amway leaders, come active health practitioners, Rachna, Dr. Sheila Vishwanathan, Sashwati Gupta, and Pramila Olson. And together, we are going to have a much better understanding on how they are dealing with this pandemic. So first of all, my question is to the speakers, and maybe you can start with Pramila. If you could share that how have been your experiences during this lockdown and how each one of you have taken care of your immunity and well-being. We know which is immunity and nutrition are all connected, and Amway and Nutrilite are so deeply rooted into that. So Pramila, if I could have your perspective first.
Yes, thank you, Ajay. It's not just one thing, it's several things like stress levels, exercise. I mean, you can also, yoga is a big thing, but I'm a strong believer of foods. It's what we eat is what actually the body gets strength from. So in this lockdown period, I made a conscious effort to eat whole foods. I see lunch plates of loaded with carbohydrates, and it's thumbsick foods, it's dead foods that actually cannot give energy to the body. So it's a lot of times I have seen protein deficiency. It's a big one in India. 80 to 90% of us Indians, we are protein deficient, whether we know it or not, or whether most of us don't know it. In this lockdown period, I made a conscious effort because of various reasons: unavailability, lack of supply, a conscious decision to fill my protein deficiency. For example, on my Instagram post, I put a mango smoothie and I added 2 scoops of plant protein, the Nutrilite all plant protein. And many of my followers, said it was tasty, it was a nutritious, sumptuous snack. And obesity, that's a big one, So this lockdown period, I made a conscious effort to deal with my weight, and lowering my weight. Obesity is the biggest enemy of immunity. So we have some great body key products for obesity. And I have seen online, I mean, the one big thing I have seen in this lockdown is online communities on Instagram following me and also taking care of not gaining weight during this lockdown, but actually doing small things on a daily basis and maintaining their weight and hence building their immunity.
Oh, you are so right, Pramila, in terms of DIY is the new thing, and we know each one of us are searching for that perfect immunity, not only for ourselves, families. And in the case of Amway, it is not only yourself, it's the larger Amway family. So thank you for sharing these insights. And now I would like to kind of ask Dr. Gohar, what's your perspective? How have you dealt with lockdown, your experience with Ayurveda? What does that tell us? How have you dealt it, and how can people deal with this even better?
Thank you, Ajay, and good afternoon to every viewers of us. So, Ajay, as an Ayurveda physician, I felt that never in the history of independent India, Ayurveda has witnessed a tremendous upsurge as in the last few months. Since the start of this lockdown, the sole focus of general population has been towards building the immunity, also known as Rog Pratirodhak Kshamata in Ayurveda. Proper lifestyle and food habits increase immunity. So I woke up early in the morning to practice yoga and pranayam keeps me fresh throughout the day. And we believe that good health starts from the kitchen itself as an Ayurvedic practitioner. So there are many herbs present in our kitchen which are a storehouse of medicinal properties, ranging along turmeric, tulsi, ajwain, black pepper, dried ginger called as sont in Hindi, dalchini, and long, etc. So all these herbs are a big powerhouse of therapeutic properties. And side by side, Ayush Ministry has recently produced a card of various spices like shunthi, black pepper, elaichi, which you can crush all these and prepare a decoction of these. And so, what I personally did was to prepare this kada at home and have it regularly. And along with that, I increased the dose of haldi in my diet and the meals I took. So all these herbs raise the tissue metabolism and increase the digestive fire, thus increasing your immunity and making your gut happy. Because Ayurveda believes that every disease starts from the stomach itself. So if your digestive fire and your tissue metabolism is healthy, you will be free from many diseases, right? So now, further to add that among various organizations, companies like MV Nutralite already have been having these herbs, this wide variety of herbs since many years, and they've always focused over quality, over potency, as well as safety of these herbs. And herbs like tulsi have a tremendous effect over immunity and safeguards our health against respiratory infections and sinus problems. Similarly, herbs like mulati are well known against dry cough. And on the other hand, ashwagandha is an excellent wine tonic, which promotes strength of the tissues. And combinations of triphala, for example, it contains amla, vibhitak, and haritaki. They're very well known. Triphala is quite well known among the general masses, and they have been a part of our household since long. So it's called rasayana in Ayurveda, means it is antioxidant, and it affects almost every part of our body, and it promotes vitality in our body. So I think this lockdown has been a blessing in disguise for Ayurveda, and the future, as we hope, resides in its principles. Yeah.
Oh, thanks for sharing, Dr. Gohar. And I think I have some research also which has come in. It tells us almost 51% of the people who were kind of interviewed have resorted to Ayurveda to kind of get over and to kind of deal with the crisis which at hand in terms of building the immunity. So it kind of resonates, whatever you said. And obviously, with Amway neutralized purity, safety, potency, straight from organic farms, no GMO, DNA fingerprinting, all those actually ensure that we get only the best of the best concentrated extracts from herbs, which can be truly beneficial. So thanks for sharing your experiences here. And now I'll move to Shashwati. Shashwati, you tell me, you have been a big fan of immunity and being in West Bengal, how it is, how have you dealt with the lockdown, what all have you been up to kind of really take on your immunity and nutrition and lifestyle changes to deal with the lockdown situation?
Yeah. Good afternoon, Ajay, and good afternoon, everybody. Big namaste to all. And as you rightly said, that making balanced food was a real challenge in this lockdown time. So my mantra was, along with the positive attitude, good amount of rest, and regular exercise, I actually emphasized most on my mantra was have what you are getting and balance the rest of your nutrient deficiency with our supplements actually. So along with all the foundational supplements, we also took Nutralite traditional herbs. As you know, the Ministry of Ayush has emphasizing on building immunity through the Indian traditional herbs like tulsi, ashwagandha, ginger, muleti, etc. And as Dr. Gohar rightly said, that if we can remember from our childhood days also, that tulsi ka kadha, then in the cold and cough, then Brahmi for enhancing the brain power, then our Amlaki Vivitaki Haritaki for stomach. These were very common homemade remedies we used to have. Even if you come to any Bengali family now, you can see a small tulsi plant in a small pot in a terrace. We call it tulsi monte. So, but it is not about having one or two tulsi leaf every day. There's a huge science behind that. And frankly speaking, in today's fast life, neither we have time to do so many things because of the lack of time, also and because of the supply of the right ingredients. So thanks to Amway for bringing back those golden traditional wisdom combined with the neutralized philosophy of best of science and best of nature through its nutritional Neutralite traditional herb range, which gives us the same prevention but in a much more pure, safe and potent way. One single tablet of tulsi, can you imagine that it has active ingredient of 100 leaves of the best species of tulsi we have. So as for my expertise in the field of nutrition and herbs, I believe that right supplement is the smartest way to build up my family's immunity in this situation. Thank you.
Wow, thanks for sharing. And I think testimonial from a person who's kind of really used it for themselves and their families, it comes through your voice so clearly. And it's all about that how each one of us are securing the health, not only for ourselves, but our family and also our near and dear ones. As we talked about the 8 Ws of wellness, this is a very critical component of that. So moving on to Dr. Sheila, and she has a rich experience in uh, how have you dealt with this for yourself and for the people around you, Dr. Sheila, as far as the lockdown is concerned?
Yeah, thank you, Ajay, and good afternoon to everybody on this viewership, and also wish you all a very, very happy International Yoga Day. Coming from a medical profession, I personally feel that it's absolutely important to understand some of the predisposing factors that can lead to a compromised immunity level. And first of all, set that right before we start giving the immunity cover. So the first and foremost in this is the underlying stress. It's not that before the lockdown or in under normal circumstances we were free of any stress or there were no stressors, but it's just that during the present times everything around us tends to get a lot more magnified and a lot more compounded. Now, we all know that the viral situation that we are in is going to take a while to ease out till the medical intervention brings the right kind of vaccine or the viral load starts to taper by itself. So, what are we then going to do till then to take care of our sanity and our health? And that is where I believe very strongly that yoga and meditative practices play a very, very important role, because both of them are not just to meet the physical needs, but it also plays very well on the mental and the emotional health also. And here I would like to make a special mention of two age-old herbs that Nutrilite has brought out so beautifully, namely Ashwagandha and Brahmi, because both of them are known to address anxiety and stress conditions and also induce very good sleep patterns. Secondly, the second important thing is many of us, coming from earlier times, may not have really gotten into any kind of a, exercise regimen or an exercise routine. So, what tends to happen is in this lockdown situation, because we're all used to working from home, it's very easy to slip into a sedentary kind of a lifestyle. So, here is where we need to get guarded, sit up, and start doing something to work on our physical well-being. And that is where again I would suggest starting on some basic yoga asanas or postures to begin with, because that's something you can do within the confines of your home without too much of paraphernalia, and just in your home clothes. So that's something that we need to kind of start on. And if meditation as a technology seems too far-fetched for some, I would even suggest just sitting calmly in a place for just about 10 minutes with your eyes closed. Yes, you're going to have a flurry of thoughts coming up because we're all a bundle of our emotions and our thoughts. But I would say let the thoughts come up because they're only coming to go, as they say, right? And thirdly, I believe that there are certain physiological parameters which we also need to take care and address, because they play a role in defining the immune status. And that is one of them is looking out for iron deficiency anemia, and the second is looking out for low vitamin D levels. So get yourselves tested, and if they are low, up it with the necessary supplement. Here again, Nutrilite has got cherry iron, and the CalMag D, which can address these two issues. And of course, needless to say, we need to give our immunity.
I think we are losing a voice. Dr. Sheila, you've gone mute.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Am I audible
yeah,
now?
you are muted. Yeah, if you could go back about 15 to 30 seconds.
Yeah, okay. So I was talking about getting into yoga as a simple practice for people who do not have a fixed exercise regimen, because that's something that they could do within the confines of their home without too much of paraphernalia. And for those of us who are not used to meditative practices and who feel meditation is a far-fetched.
Go ahead, Dr. Sheila.
Yeah. So if somebody feels that meditation is too far-fetched for them, they could just, find a corner, sit with your eyes closed, relax. That itself can give you the necessary amount of mental calm and peace that we're looking for. Thirdly, I believe that there are a couple of physiological parameters which also needs to be looked into, like your iron deficiency, anemia, and vitamin D levels. I would suggest that we check on those, and if they are low, up it with the right kind of supplements. Here again, we have Neutralite, which has the cherry iron, and the Calmac D, which could help us for that. And lastly, we all need the ample immunity cover through Neutralite Tulsi, the vitamin C, natural C, and the Vasaka Muleti Surasa, because it is backed with the Neutralite potency, purity, and safety. See, it's one thing to just step into the garden, pluck on a few leaves, and make a concentrate and have it, but it's a completely different thing to, go for a measured and quantified supplement which has the right proportion of the active ingredient which is given to you to get your targeted result, which is to build on the helper T cells and the other helper cells that your body needs in a situation like this. So pretty much, of course, over the next few months or a year, there's going to be ample herd immunity that's going to be developed. That's going to be good for all of us. But then, till about that time, these are some of the ways in which we need to take care of ourselves, and this is pretty much that I do for myself and for my family. So just to sum up, what is being done by me: I take good, healthy, home cooked food right on time. That's very important. Secondly, I give ample supplement cover by Tulsi, the Natural C, your Vasaka, and the foundation products of Neutralite. I take them myself and I give to my family. Yoga and meditation is a done thing for us in our home. And fourth, I would say, is absolutely important: prayer for universal well-being. So I believe in this situation, staying safe, staying healthy, and staying calm is the only mantra that all of us can have. Thank you, Ajay. Thank you for the opportunity.
Wow, what powerful messaging, Dr. Sheila. Really inspiring words and so much of knowledge, depth there. Really appreciate your insights here. And now we'll kind of move on to Rachna. And Rachna has been kind of having little poor signals, so we might lose you, Rachna, but we want to hear your perspective on the lockdown and how you are dealing with this entire crisis and how you're coping up with the immunity and the health and the well-being. Rachna? Is she there? She seems to be frozen. Okay, so
Here actually.
okay, yeah. So please, Rachna, if you could share your insights on how you're dealing with the lockdown from a perspective of immunity and well-being.
Yeah, yeah. Lockdown has taught me to be more grateful to whatever I have, rather than cribbing on what. And this is one of the lessons that is as well, to be full and grateful, and developing this attitude has brought about a lot of and given me and other stressful situations that has generally cropped up during the lockdown, because since I was managing
So I think we're having challenges with Rashna as technology would have its way. She's trying to kind of obviously trying her best. So maybe we'll get her back. Let's move on to the second question, which we have got to the group. And so so obviously one thing becomes very clear that what we heard, that it's very important to consume a wholesome diet, so a colorful diet, and that's we've been hearing since yesterday. You should have all the colors on your plate. You should obviously include physical activity, which I heard very clearly and important towards your well-being. And last but not the least, support your nutrition gap with some truly genuine supplementation where the sourcing of it is clear, the traceability of it is clear, it's got clean labels, and obviously the potency story is there. Having said that, now the next question to all of you is that how do you, as you've kind of gone through this lockdown, what is that most important thing this lockdown has kind of taught each one of you? And how you really kind of balancing the work life and also at the same time being productive and efficient while living your passion, which I know is towards building a community of healthy living people around you. So if you could kind of just shed some light on that, and we can go in the same order, maybe Pramila.
Well, the lockdown has taught me one big thing, when it comes to food and nutrition, just work with what you have. I faced the same situation as everybody, lack of availability. I have 2 young kids. The day I got fruit and vegetable, they decided not to eat it, So it's everyone faces situations. And my mantra has been, all you can do is all you can do. So just do all you can do for that day, And I just think that, if you don't have protein in your diet, and most of us in India, we struggle with having enough protein, maybe being vegetarians, maybe being partially vegetarians, but we struggle with having enough protein in our diet. Now, what to do? Find solutions. I find solutions for my family, especially during the lockdown. And I started incorporating the all plant protein from Nutrilite in many, many ways. I put it in rotis, I put it in dosa batter, I put it in smoothies. I would, I found various ways how to eat the all plant protein and fill the nutritional gap. We have to find solutions for our family, whether there is a lockdown or not, we have to find our own solution, right? If you're not eating enough vegetables, eat more vegetables, eat more colors. I don't like the taste. Find solutions, find different colors that you like the taste of, right? If you want more energy and immunity, definitely what we eat on a daily basis is not enough. So I supplement. I use the traditional Nutrilite herb on a daily basis. My young children, they take 1 tulsi tablet a day because we all are struggling with building our immunity on a daily basis. I take natural C. I want to eat natural C from natural foods, but it's unavailable. So I find solutions, and instead of doing nothing, I do something. So my mantra is, I've had, the best thing for me, the most satisfying thing in this lockdown period is communities that we have built online. Follow me, we learn from each other. And as I have been focused during this lockdown and saying to people, just do all you can do. Don't focus on the things you cannot do. Do the things you can do. These things are within our control. If the gym is closed, do 20 minutes of yoga at home. All you need is a mat, right? And you can do it in your living room. So all you can do is all you can do. I have seen communities of especially women improve their health. Not only get rid of a lot of obesity around the visceral obesity, but also get into better shape during the lockdown. It is a mindset. In my opinion, it is a mindset. You think about what is important. The lockdown has showed me that step back and think that health is the most important aspect of our life. Of course, earning money, of course, career, of course, family, all these things are important. But where there is no health, there is nothing left. So health with a balanced diet, with some exercise, with, meditation, prayer life, a balance of all this is what I have discovered in the lockdown period.
Wow, again, such powerful messaging and brought forward so passionately, Pramla, just like you. And I think such optimism. Just do what you can do, I think. So what's within you, kind of make the change, and the change is within yourself, and it's not outside. So do what you can do and not rely on others and wait for others to kind of change it for you. And the innovations you have done in the lockdown, hats off to you. Really, I think a lot of communities are kind of following you. I know your fan following is growing, and I'm glad that we are all kind of finally realizing that health is wealth and not wealth is health. And actually, if you have great health, then we know all of us will actually accumulate a lot of wealth moving forward. So powerful words. With that, moving to Dr. Gohar, what's your perspective on this?
Yeah, so Ajay, as a practitioner and as a physician, the lockdown taught me two things. And the first thing I noticed that there was a tremendous surge in people suffering from depression and anxiety throughout this lockdown. And just few days back, I had a patient who she was complaining that she has an anxiety of what will happen. There is a anxiety about economics. There is anxiety about the future. So there is a all lot of surge of depression and anxiety. And mental strength also has a great effect on one's health and general immunity. One thing I would like to mention here is that about two herbs, that because as an Ayurvedic scholar, I usually want to discuss about the herbs. So everyone knows that mulethi is a very good herb against a dry cough, but more than that, mulethi in Ayurveda has been mentioned as a Medhya Rasayan. Medhya Rasayans, there are four Medhya Rasayans in Ayurveda. Mulethi is there, Shampushpi is there, Shatavari is there. So talking about mulethi and ashwagandha, both of these herbs help about the person in dealing with the anxiety as well as depression. And they increase the emotional proclivity of the brain, because these days your emotional quotient should always also be strong. Apart from your intelligence quotient, you should be emotionally active and emotionally strong to deal with this kind of lockdown. So apart from these Brahmi, there was sleep deprivation also among people. And I've been recommending Brahmi to all these people, and I learned that even the usage of all these herbs increased during this lockdown. And second thing was that I belong to a very flamboyant business city, and this nature's backlash has taught the difference between your needs and your wants. There is always a difference what you need and what you want. So materialistic society learned how to live within those basic needs, and this was a much needed lesson from the mother nature. And I learned how small things could make me happy than indulging into various luxuries of life. As a practitioner, I would make it a point to teach and educate my patients about the sense of well-being and how to cope up with the stress. And I felt it was my duty to instill positive vibes among the masses who were plagued with negativity. And with that, I would like to thank Amway that during the lockdown, they gave me a tremendous opportunity to connect with many people digitally, which helped me spread the message of Ayurveda widely. And in my spare time, I vigorously enjoyed listening music, reading, and playing with my children. So all these positive activities kept me going on throughout this lockout. Yeah.
Wow, thank you so much, Dr. Gohar. Actually, and you touch on that 8 Ws. You talked about the emotional wellness. You talked about the intellectual wellness, the mental wellness. All those are the social wellness. And I think all of us in the Amway family are doing a fabulous job, because we are not just kind of bettering our lives. We are bettering everybody's life who's around us. We are making that impact. We are making that impact to the society, and doing it so passionately. You can see there's so much glow on the faces of the people here. They take almost pride in what they are doing. So it's not just kind of you're living for yourself, you're living for others. And that makes Amway business and these micro entrepreneurs, these leaders, so much greater than anything else. The cause is so large. So thanks, Dr. Gaur, on supporting us on this journey. And I can tell you, you're loved by your audiences. The wisdom you have on Ayurveda, the knowledge, the experience, I think people really kind of follow that passionately. And that has helped people to kind of adopt, to kind of live a more healthier and a more immune life. And I'd like to move on to Shashwati. So Shashwati, what's your take on this?
Yeah, actually, it taught me so many things. But I must tell you one thing, Ajay. Initially, I was a bit tensed. You know, I'm in a people business. I have to travel a lot. I have to meet so many people. I have to conduct so many training sessions. But thanks to Amway and the digital era, already Amway was almost all its operations were in digital. So also it shifted all its training to the digital media. So it gives me tremendous support, and it encouraged me also to shift myself to the digital media. And believe me, the connectivity got improved like anything. Digitally, I could reach everyone at a time, to any one of my organization anywhere. All the people were locked down at home, so in order to engage them, we conducted contests like protein recipes, then cooking contests, and make creative videos on protein and different products, build up communities like wet management, cook with queen, like this kind of thing. You can say I explored almost all the digital platform like business WhatsApp, Zoom, MS Teams, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and tried my innovation in my unique way to utilize these platforms in favor of my business. We built up interest content in social media. As a result, built up the deeper communication and connect with the sales teams as well as with the consumers. So the social selling got improved like anything. Overall, it was really fun for me to initially adapt myself to this new situation, and then to adopt the different kind of solutions in order to convert this threat into an opportunity. I can only say lastly that the business we developed in last 22 years with so much of effort and so much of time, this lockdown has really taught me how to keep it together tightly bonded and build it more strongly in near future. That's it, Ajay. So many things to say, but I can share this much now.
Thank you so much, Shashwati, for sharing this. You are obviously an inspiration for so many people across the country. And
Thank you so much.
you and your wisdom, words of wisdom are always kind of embraced by a lot. So thanks for that messaging. And quickly, let's take Dr. Sheila before we wrap up the session. We have time. So Dr. Sheila, your final words on how you kind of really making the most of this lockdown.
Yeah. Ajay, this entire episode of this pandemic, the lockdown and its implications has been a really, really humbling experience for me, to be very honest. How such an infinitesimally small living particle can only be seen through a highly magnified electron microscope can hold the entire human race, the most intellectual species on planet Earth, to ransom is something which is just inconceivable and mind-boggling, right? So I personally feel that this is just on the aside. If each one of us could take that little time, it would be really worthwhile and meaningful for each one of us to take that little time to introspect into the significance of human existence in the larger context of the universe, right? I mean, that's an interesting study for each one to have. But that apart, for me, the lesson learned is that going ahead, I shall not take who I am or what I have for granted anymore. I believe that every moment is a blessing, and I'm absolutely grateful to God and the universe for that. And I believe this is also the very essence of yoga. It talks about living in the moment and living for the moment. And coming to how I have been keeping myself engaged and productive during these lockdown days, there is so much to do actually. First of all, I must really thank Ajay, you, the entire staff of Amway and Amway Global for Amway India for digitalizing the entire thing so beautifully. Me, for one, I had been evading, or I should say, delaying getting into technology. But then, I was left with no choice. I guess when you're pushed to the edge, that's when you learn to flap your wings. So I spend a lot of my time learning every single day. learning about the new technology, learning about the digital platform, doing a lot of PowerPoint presentations, handling webinars, reaching out more to the team, connecting better with them, interacting more productively, I should say. And yes, it's also time to engage in some of the things that I've always liked, always wanted to do. I've been catching up on a lot of reading, some of the books which are on my list, but I've not really had the time. And I belong to the 60s and the 70s era. I'm a Binaka Geetmala person. So I go back and listen to all those beautiful melodious Hindi songs which you don't get to listen to anymore. And yes, this is also time to connect with friends. So I've managed to connect with a lot of friends with whom I've lost touch, distant relatives, and I've engaged in lengthy, meaningful conversations with them. And professionally, I've also been working with a lot of select people in structuring some basic yoga programs for them, working with them on their diet, and also consulting them for altered lifestyle, giving them altered lifestyle recommendations. But the best part is doing all this digitally is a totally new experience, and I'm enjoying it. Actually, I believe the new norm is more is less, because we all have so much to do, all of us. And I believe 24 hours just doesn't seem enough, right? So here I would really acknowledge Robert Frost, and I really believe what he said, because I going forward, I feel that I truly have miles to go before I sleep. Miles to go. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for those inspiring words, Dr. Sheila. We are running out of time. Thank you everyone for sharing your thoughts and experiences with us. While the world is facing great challenges towards health and well-being, this is the first of its kind virtual session on physical, mental, and spiritual wellness. Has been truly uplifting for me, at least. It was an intriguing session, interesting to know each one of you have been doing for a better and healthier life. Thanks so much. And also, I would like to kind of share the results of the Yoga with Nutrilite Challenge, which happened pan-India, 2,000 plus entries. Imagine how many of our distributors are engaged in it. They send us so many. It was a tough competition. And the winner is Jayashree Patel from Mumbai. So congratulations on that. And now we can have Nidhi, our co-host, back to come back. And thank you everyone for joining us today.
About Nutrilite products. I'm very pleased to welcome the super talented Nivedita Vasu. I think there's some alignment happening on screen. And this is Ajay ji. Namaste. Ajay, this is Nivedita Basu. She's also known as Queen of Bollywood of Netflix. And she's the one behind Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi and all those, Balaji. K series, yeah, K series. And she's such a good friend of mine. So it's such a pleasure to join back. And for all the viewers who are just joining in, let me please inform all of you that this session is Amway Presents International Day of Yoga 2020, co-powered by Ozone Organics. Also acknowledging our event producers, Union Red Carpet Entertainers, supported by Ministry of Ayush, FSSAI, Eat Right Foundation, International Naturopathy Organization, Titli Jaipur, our distribution partners and co-hosts, the Nehru Center, High Commission of India, Mystics of India, Sadhguru, and Green Dream Foundation, and Spiritual TV. And such a warm welcome to all of you. So much, Nivedita. I understand that all is not okay at Bollywood after Sushant's death. And to increase to all of this, there is an eclipse today, so a lot of people are a little occupied in jap and chants and all of that, Ajay, as we speak. Yes?
I said I was locked inside the house for the longest time because we believe in eclipse as well. So we just kind of came out of the dungeon.
And क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में आपने क्या किया या पैंडेमिक में, क्योंकि हम बात आज कर रहे थे न्यूट्रीलाइट प्रोडक्ट्स की भी निवेदिता एज वी स्पीक, और ऑल्सो हम बात ये भी कर रहे थे कि किस तरह इनके जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स स्पेशली, हर्बल प्रोडक्ट्स स्पेशली, उन्होंने एक तरह से जीवन दान दिया है, क्योंकि कई लोगों के पास जो हाई राइज अपार्टमेंट्स में रहते हैं, they don't have all those plants even in Gamalas, they don't have places for all of that. तो आई थिंक ऑल इन ऑल प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में अजय जी आप फिर से दोहराएंगे वो सब बातें, अश्वगंधा, न्यूट्रलाइट, तुलसी अर्क, एंड देन लेट्स सी व्हाट निवेदिता हैज टू से बिकॉज़ शी आल्सो बिलीव्स इन गोइंग नेचुरल. I've known her for a long time.
Thank you, Ajay ji, firstly for having me. I think it is the hi Jaydeep.
Thank you.
I'm saying hi to Jaydeep.
So Amway has another wonderful person today, the super talented and the very very popular. तो आपको क्या कहें हम, millions are now फिदा on जयदीप अलावत. तो आप बात करेंगे सांस लेने की भी, और we are talking of natural products and this is Ajay Khanna ji, who's the chief marketing officer of Amway. Amway की हम बात कर रहे हैं कि वो कितने अच्छी तरह से हमें plant products and all these chronic kind of products which are very required in lockdown times, in pandemic times, कि हर जगह हम सुन रहे हैं तुलसी का अर्क ले लो या फिर आंवला पी लो. So all the products are all in one brand by Amway, and we have the very visionary chief marketing officer here. So अजय जी कुछ बताएंगे अपने ब्रांड्स के बारे में कि कैसे ये लोगों को जाके एक ही कैप्सूल में वो सारे ब्रांड मिल सकते हैं, ashwagandha and such like, and people who stay in high-rise apartments who have no access to going and plucking neem leaves and such like things, tulsi leaves also for that matter, or no time to do the same. How are they benefiting by these products?
So, warm welcome to Jaydeep, Nivedita. Thank you for joining. At Amway, we have this philosophy of best of nature and taking best of science. And about 2 years back, we also joined best of traditional wisdom to this. So we realized that Ayurveda has a deep-rooted science in it, and why won't we kind of take the best of nature and science and integrate with best of traditional wisdom? So we have kind of launched products which are like Nuclite Tulsi, Nuclite Brahmi, Nuclite Ashwagandha. We've got Nuclite Amlaki, Vibhitaki, Haritaki, which you would have popularly heard as Trifla. Otherwise, we've kind of broken this up because the individual identity of each and every herb is important. And what we kind of do in this, how we get science in this, is that we ensure right from where it's sourced, the organic farms, there is no GMO, there's the DNA fingerprinting, because there are various herbs. Even in Tulsi, there are 50 kind of various Tulsis, but you would not know. But we select the right Tulsi, which would kind of work for you. And then obviously we have a huge 550 crore investment at a plant in Madurai, where without touching, we kind of manufacture this using the extract. So like one Tulsi tablet is almost equivalent of extract of 100 Tulsi leaves. So it really kind of secure. So I can tell you, my mom, my entire family in the morning, the first thing which we'll do is we'll go through a ritual of having Nuclite traditional herbs. And my mom, I've been working with Amway for 22 years, didn't take all the supplements. Frankly, I've been working with the company, but once we launched the traditional herbs, before a pack finishes, 10 days before that, I'm getting repeated reminders, please get it, please don't forget, please get it. So which shows that they are really, really kind of right from nature, and we kind of integrated science. And today, of course, we have heard there's so much talk about immunity. Immunity is top of mind, and we know how these herbs are integrated in that. So your thought, do you kind of do anything, any gharelu nutse, anything you guys are kind of using at home?
Divi?
I'm muted. So I think thank you, Ajay, for sharing the insight on Amway products. I think before the lockdown, probably we were not really privy to a lot of Ayurvedic stuff, because usually there isn't any time. We are just running from work to work, home to work. But during the lockdown, yes, I wouldn't deny the fact that I have taken to a lot of Ayurveda. We have taken neem into our lives, because of immunity building, because of the pandemic. I mean, firstly to say, because it's also International Yoga Day, yoga is, I think, the only form of exercise which is also an exercise of the mind. It's to do with the mental health, also not just physical health. And like Nidhi ji and I have been discussing of late that the times have been really bad. Firstly, Jaideep, I'd like to congratulate you on Patal Lok. I mean, obsessed
Thank you,
with
Nivedita.
Hathira.
Thank you, Nivedita.
All of
Thank you
us, all of us. So good.
I think
And wait till you hear him speak. Yeah, he's so good. अभी सास के बारे में जो उन्होंने कल बोला, जो आज रात को हम प्रीमियर सेगमेंट में चलाने वाले हैं, mind boggling. I want that same repeat. Jaideep ji, it was too good. But I thought he's only that Hathiram inspector, like that kind of angle. This guy is tremendous. He's too good.
I think
Thank
it's the
you.
only show which has taken a lot of male audience also. Like my husband has never watched Web, and he came and he saw, and he's like, it's the best content which India has created, and vis-a-vis somebody like me who watches content, like I watch 5 web series a day. So it was really like, I'd like to congratulate the entire team of Anushka and Karunesh. I think they did a good job of selecting good content.
And imagine the Nivedita Basu congratulating.
The Nivedita बोल रहे हैं यार, निधि जी आप ही कमाल
अरे come on यार, तुमने आज तक सब
But
कुछ
that's a
हिट
good
ही
one.
बनाया
That's a
यार.
good
You're
one.
known as a
Nivedita
queen.
Basu
ऐसे
is
थोड़ी
good one.
विकिपीडिया पे क्वीन लिखा है, क्या यार, इतनी ह्यूमिलिटी भी कोई वो ठीक नहीं है. जैदिप, आप बताएं आप क्या करते हैं प्लीज. किस तरह की आप हर्ब्स या एंटीबॉडीज या इम्यूनिटी बिल्डिंग करते हैं? डू यू एग्री विद व्हाट अजय जी सेड फर्स्टली अबाउट न्यूट्रीलाइट प्रोडक्ट्स कि आपको 100 तुलसी की लीव्स एक में मिल जाएंगी?
थैंक यू सो मच. पहले तो ये सब इतना अप्रिशिएशन देने के लिए और वो सब, और मैं बिल्कुल एग्री करता हूँ. क्या है ना कि कई बार लोग बोलते हैं कि यार काफी स्पेशली बड़े शहरों में आने के बाद आपके पास वो सब छोटे शहर में पलने का या गांव में बड़े होने का सबसे बड़ा फायदा पता है क्या होता है? कि आपकी इम्यूनिटी बहुत बचपन से ही बहुत स्ट्रांग हो रही होती है. मतलब आप विश्वास मानिए, मैं अभी भी घर से ही घी आता है, घर से ही मसाले आते हैं, जो भी घर के मसाले होते हैं, घर से गेहूं आता है, चावल आता है, जो होता है कि आप 5-6 महीने में 4-5 महीने में एक बार जाते हो, आप ले आते हो. और आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव कि उन चीजों की वजह से ही काफी हेल्प होती है मुझे वो सब हैंडल करने में, जो रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में जो आप छोटी छोटी बीमारियां हैं, छोटी छोटी चीजें होती रहती है आपको. आई थिंक वो इसलिए भी ठीक है क्योंकि जेनेटिकली आई थिंक बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाते हो आप जब आप बहुत अपने नेचर के करीब रहते हो. पूरा बचपन जो है, पूरी ये लगा लो कि जब तक 23-24 साल तक तो मैं हरियाणा में था, उसके बाद मैं पूना फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट में आया, तो सब कुछ घर का होता था. दूध, दही, घी, खाना, अनाज, कोई भी फसल हो या सब चीजें घर की हैं, और आप खुद उगा रहे हो उनको, तो आपको पता है कि वो कितनी प्योर है, कितनी नेचुरल है. तो मुझे मैं हमेशा इस बात में वो करता हूँ कि हाँ, आपको अपने फिर से वही कल वाली बात है कि थोड़ा सा रूट से जुड़ा रहना जरूरी है. आपको बहुत सारी परेशानियां वैसे ही खत्म हो जाती हैं जब आप अपने जो खान पान है वो ठीक रखते हो. और मुझे बहुत ज्यादा बाहरी खाना खाने की आदत कभी से नहीं है. वो भी शायद इस वजह से क्योंकि ऐसे माहौल में कभी बड़े ही नहीं हुए. मतलब मुझे याद है मैंने पहली बार बर्गर जॉइंट जो है, प्रॉपर बर्गर जॉइंट में जाके, शायद मैं कुछ फर्स्ट ईयर या सेकंड ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज था, पहली बार चखा था वो. इमेजिन कि मैं क्या कर रहा था उससे पहले. So was never been into junk food and all this cold drinks and soft drinks which I don't know जिसको खाना पसंद करे, I just don't like them in a whole circle. और तो आई थिंक मेरे लिए वही है. आज भी जैसे सर कह रहे थे तुलसी का ये जो है, ये सब मुझे बहुत ज्यादा पिक पॉकेटिंग करने में मेरे पास मुझे मजा नहीं आता है. तो कोई ना कोई मिल जाता है जो दे देता है. सुबह थोड़ा सा लहसुन खा लो, थोड़ा सा अदरक थोड़ी ज्यादा पीस के पानी में डाल लो, या वो जो एक पानी बनाते हैं डिटॉक्सिफाई करने के लिए, वो एक नहीं, वो रात को जो पानी बनाते हैं सुबह तक रखते हैं डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन के लिए, वो बेसिकली वो सब इस्तेमाल होता रहता है थोड़ा बहुत. और घर का खाना खाता हूँ तो मुझे सच में बताऊं तो कुछ महसूस ही नहीं होता है कि कुछ बाहर का कुछ ऐसा चल रहा है जिससे मैं अंदर कुछ ऐसा डाल रहा हूँ. तो आज भी वही है, आज भी घर से ही खाना आता है देखा जाए तो. मोस्टली दाल चावल और सब गेहूं मसाले सब घी सब घर का है.
पर आपने जो बताया था कि आप सांस लेते हैं, तो वो वाली बात आप सबको बताएं कि जिस तरह लेनी चाहिए डी स्ट्रेस होने के लिए. जयदीप जी, मैं एक मकसद से पूछ रही हूँ, निवेदिता is going to vouch for this. I am getting so many messages from so many people that they have been so upset, Ajay sir. after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, a lot of people have been identifying with him. Is that so, Nivedita? It's been bad. Like मैंने देखा ऋषि कपूर का 1 दिन का था या इरफान जी का 2-4 दिन का, सुशांत का नेवर एंडिंग हो रहा है. तो मेरे ख्याल से अजय जी आपको भी मैं इस मंच से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि अगर आपका इतना बड़ा ब्रांड है, इट कुड कम अप विद समथिंग व्हिच I cannot say would give people a high or something like that, but something to make them. I don't know how it's possible, but if such a thing could come out, and I'd like Nivedita to speak here about how to cheer up people, in the millennials or elsewhere. There may be loss of jobs, or they may be finding themselves in the same kind of, nepotism that is happening. I have so many messages on my phone even now.
So Nidhi, we're fortunate enough to have worked with Sushant because obviously he was our actor in Balaji. He did a show with me called Kis Desh Mein Mera Dil. And then of course he got picked up as a main lead for Pavitra Rishta. So we've been quite close because fraternity, fortunately or unfortunately, doesn't have nepotism, So it had always been all of us hanging and very casual, and all of us like shows and of course in television also you go through that phase. We've been hearing people going through depression, especially in the lockdown, like I said, because people don't have company, they don't have ways to get out. So otherwise, for even so smaller things like getting out to probably go for a drive or have a coffee with a friend, or going to the gym for all you care, just kept them busy and occupied. But here comes this pandemic where, you're just locked up at home, nothing to do. So you don't know how the mind works. I mean, I don't know how Ajay can help us with some medicine because it's all a state of mind, you can't really take a medicine to cure somebody's mental health. It's to do hugely with the company you have. How is the company motivating you every day? Because there will be bad things. I mean, unfortunately, we've lost Jaideep right now, but he comes from, a non-actor's field, and look at where he's reached. I mean, he had his own set of struggles, and look at the humongous success now he's got with something like Patal Lok, and I'm sure now there's going to be no looking back. But like I said, it's never enough. There will be new
He's
crowds.
trying actually as we speak. There is a very bad Wi-Fi connection. We took a hotspot or somehow we shared desk. I don't know how Abhay did it and got him on. There is a problem in his connection. He must be trying to connect. Yeah.
So, like I said, I don't know. We've all taken to Ayurveda. Like even Jaideep, he comes from the village background. He has the privilege of getting everything from home. But like I said, we are somebody who's taking to medicines like Amway, Ajay, because we've also hugely incorporated, especially with parents. Starting a day with neem water, having detox water in the day, then having everything possible, like 5 times having kada. All the natural herbs to get it going because. Considering there is no medicine for the virus, we have to make ourselves strong with the stuff which is available. And obviously, it's all in the nature, centuries down, people had lived for like 200 years just by having these natural herbs. So, coming back to mental health and, nepotism, like I said, I'd just like to repeat because he also comes from a non-actor background, So, I mean, forget the camps, forget what exists. It is all about everything I think is in the head, So even if there is कोई दवाई का इजाद भी कर देगा तो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि वो ठीक हो सकता है because for me it is not either you yourself are very strong or the company you keep is very strong which keeps you happy and motivated because even after one success it's never like you'll have it now. I mean Jaideep can vouch for it. ये नहीं है कि ये एक आ गया तो बस अब I've arrived and this is the end of my struggle, everything else is going to be uphill. So that keeps happening. I mean, you have to every day motivate yourself to do better. And that comparison bit has to go. I mean, I'm talking about myself 20 years down, how I have kept myself sane. I mean, you come from a big company, where everyone's doing well. And then you compare to that. And I said, you are comparing. I'm not comparing. I want to have my own standards of where I want to reach. So I think that's where it needs to get stabilized. You have to have some sanity in terms of what your expectations are, what your personal goals are and where you want to reach. I think then it becomes slightly easier.
एब्सोल्युटली। अजय जी, यहाँ आपसे मैं जानना चाहूंगी, आपने कुछ बढ़िया न्यूट्रिशनल प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बताया था, लाइक न्यूट्रलाइट तुलसी, like ashwagandha. To all our viewers watching, you could tell them a little more about Nutralite Amla, and so that they could use that one tablet, like you said, would about 100 kg, so they get a one and all experience from having that, and maybe that kind of protection is there. And psychological protection also is very important. Like Nivedita says, she swears by these kind of products because it's easier. Whereas for Jaideep ji, who comes from Doodh Dahi, Haryana, वहां से तो सब superstars होते, तो antibodies तो शुरू से होती है. But I would say for Gen X, they've all grown up on junk food. जो ये प्रेजेंट जनरेशन है, इनके लिए तो ये मस्ट है. अजय जी थोड़ा सा समझाएं. Then we'll ask Jaideep to do the breathing exercise, and then we have a message for the Dubai finale from Amway. आप बताइए अजय सर.
I think जब आप जवान रहते हैं, I think you never get grow old. That's a myth. And you think you never age, and you think you'll never die. वो सब बहुत डिस्टर्ब लगता है. So if you ask a 25-year-old, 27-year-old कि आप अपनी डाइट में आपके गैप हैं, you need to take supplements. The country is 80% protein deficient, 80% calcium, vitamin D deficient. There's so many deficiencies which are there because ये भागदौड़ की जिंदगी में, where we are running to our dreams, somehow we are kind of neglecting the diet, which is the most important. And so the challenge with the sourcing of the diet, even if I'm eating, it won't guarantee the nutrition which I require. And there, I think the sooner people realize, I think this pandemic, as Nivedita very clearly alluded to, there is research which is done. Today, 73% people are thinking of improving their lifestyles, improving a diet. I know people are not ordering food. इससे पहले स्विगी और जोमेटो हो रहा था, पर आज कर रहे हैं कि भैया आज मैं ये बना लेते हूँ, मेरे घर में उपमा बन रहा है, डोसा बन रहा है, बिरयानी बन रही है जो आज तक बनी नहीं.
और पिक्चर आ रही है व्हाट्सएप पे अच्छे अच्छे खानों की, घर में सब लोग भेज रहे हैं, घर का खाना खा रहे हैं, बट दवाई तो बाहर से लेनी पड़ेगी. तो मतलब आई फील Amway with working for 60 years in more than 108 countries, Amway तो इस तरह की चीजें भी बना सकता है फॉर मेंटल डिस्ट्रेस, और वो बहुत जरूरी है सर. तो मेरी इस मन से आपको दरखास्त, अगर आप इस तरह की दवाइयां मार्केट में लेके आएंगे, तो आई थिंक I don't know whether you get a drug for positivity, Nivedita. I have no idea what it is, but I'm sure there must be something that kind of boosts up your morale in a way that
you don't get suicidal. Boosting if there is a medicine, but they do have. I think Amway also has a medicine for good mental health, but that is only to balance your the chemical imbalance which probably is created. But like I said, see, these are very spur of the moment actions. This tragedy which has happened, it's got nothing. I mean, it's not because the medication was not being taken that happened. It is just, like I said, it's the surroundings and the things. But for general health, for 99% of the general people, they have Ayurveda has herbs which kind of help you boost your brain cells and stuff. If I'm not wrong.
They are, so ashwagandha, brahmi, they do play a role. And I think more importantly, the point which Nivedita touched upon is the ecosystem. अगर आप किसी से भी मिलेंगे, and I know there are 550,000 Amway, 60% of them are women, entrepreneurs, किसी से भी मिलेंगे, they are full of optimism. वो अपने आप को नहीं, 4 जनों को अपने साथ उठा लेते हैं. तो मतलब they will never end it. Even if they are rejected every day of their lives, they will come back stronger the next day. So I think it's more about the people around you, how they are supporting you, how you are setting your goals, resetting your goals every day. So that mental ecosystem also they provide very strongly to all these entrepreneurs.
And here I'd like to now we'd like to wrap up this small session with Amway, with our gratitude to all of you, for joining in and tuning in, because we've many segments we're going in live at 2:30. with the Ayurveda doctors, and then later with Amish Tripathi, Vivek Oberoi, and Subhash Gaiji. So at the end of the session, I would like to give everybody a message from Amtech India, and I'd appreciate it, Nivedita, if you could read out this message. Actually, there is a problem with Jaideep's Wi-Fi. He's messaged me again. He's trying to get it. Maybe you could read it out, and we'll make him read it out again, or send it in a poster.
Oh, you are.
Thank you. जयदीप जी आप भी ये मैसेज निवेदिता के साथ
रियली सॉरी, ये मैसेज क्या नाम है, नेटवर्क बहुत ही बुरा चल रहा है।
हाँ नहीं 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 बिल्कुल नहीं, आपसे वो सांस के बारे में पूछ रहा है निवेदिता, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड, you have to say that. I have got him for that. Yeah, it was so good when I heard him. Like I can't tell you. Please share that with all of us.
I don't
please.
know. I genuinely believe that. I mean, मुझे लगता है कि वो बचपन से ना मैं फिर से ये बात कहता हूँ, बहुत पहले भी मैंने सोचता था इस बात को लेके कि बहुत सारे लोगों की सांस ठीक नहीं चलती, जो कि योगा में बताया जाता है कि अगर आपको सांस ठीक से लेनी आती है तो आपकी बॉडी जल्दी अलाइन होगी, आपके शरीर जो है दिमाग और सब चीजें थोड़ा सा जल्दी अलाइन होते हैं। और योग का पहला वो माना जाता है कि वो आप अपनी ब्रीदिंग के ऊपर ध्यान दें। मुझे लगता है बहुत बचपन से हमारे यहाँ उस पर काम नहीं किया जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल देने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक बच्चा है 2-3 साल का, वो बड़ा आराम से रूम में शायद कुछ खेल रहा होगा, तो उसने हो सकता है कुछ चीजें इधर उधर बिखेर दी हों, एंड सडनली सम ऑफ अस कुछ एडल्ट आदमी जो भी है बड़े हैं घर के, वो घुसते हैं एंड दे ऑलवेज शाउट ऑन हिम और हर, इज लाइक ओए क्या कर रहा है, एंड सडनली यू कुड सी देयर इज अ जर्क इन द बॉडी ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, द एंटायर रिदम ऑफ her or his breathing got haywire, वो एकदम ऐसे करके रुक जाता है। That's a very bad thing। जब बच्चों को बोला जाता है कि बच्चों को बिना बात के डांटना ना, उनकी जो अलाइनमेंट है सांस की शरीर के साथ, वो खराब करने जैसी होती है। और हम बच्चों को बचपन से ही इस बात पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं। धीरे धीरे जब वो बड़े हो जाते हैं या हम जब बड़े हो जाते हैं तो हमें समझ में आता है कि अरे यार सांस ठीक नहीं है, और दोबारा से हम वापस जाके फिर सांस को ठीक करने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो मेरा ये मानना है, मैं कल जो कह रहा था कि अगर मैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं कोई सीन कर रहा हूँ, कोई सेट पे कुछ शूट चल रहा है और मैं कोई काम कर रहा हूँ, तो आई ऑलवेज गो बैक एंड चेक कि मेरी ब्रीदिंग नॉर्मल है क्या, मेरी ब्रीदिंग सब सही चल रहा है, उसमें कुछ हटकाव तो नहीं है, कुछ घबराहट तो नहीं है, या कुछ कॉन्शियसनेस तो नहीं है। तो अगर मुझे लगता है कि हाँ वो सही नहीं जा रही है, तो मैं छोटा सा ब्रेक ही ले लेता हूँ, बोल देता हूँ सर 1 मिनट रुक जाइए, and then you just go back and relax and आंखें बंद करके you just breathe twice thrice and just let it go, I think वो लाइफ में इस्तेमाल करना शुरू कर देंगे ना, तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैंडल हो जाती हैं। हम उस मोमेंट में कभी नहीं जी पाते हैं जब हम वो काम कर रहे होते हैं। आप कोई भी इमोशन में, किसी भी इमोशन की हाइट पे देखिए, आपकी सांस कभी भी नॉर्मल नहीं होगी। आप गुस्से में होंगे, आपकी सांस बहुत ही, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सतही होगी, उथली हुई होती है, वो आपकी सांसें छोटी हो जाती हैं। आप किसी भी इमोशन की हाइट में देख लीजिए, आपकी सांस कभी ठीक नहीं चल रही होगी। सबसे ज्यादा रिलैक्स होती है सांस जब आप सो रहे होते हो, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, क्योंकि आप किसी भी इमोशन की हाइट पे नहीं हो। तो बच्चे को देख लीजिए, बच्चा जब सांस लेता है सोते हुए, उसका पेट आप देखोगे वो अपने आप में खूबसूरत नजारा होता है। उसका पेट देखना, वो इतना ब्यूटीफुली रिदम कर रहा होता है, और वो हमारी लाइफ में गायब हो गया है। तो मैं हमेशा मानता हूँ, तो मैं कहता हूँ जितने भी जो भी साथ में स्टूडेंट हैं या जो हम एक्टर्स हैं, सब और ये लाइफ में हर जगह इस्तेमाल होता है कि आप अपनी सांस चेक करते रहिए जी, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, सब ठीक है। और उस मोमेंट्स में हम गलत डिसीजन लेते हैं, गो बैक, चेक योर ब्रेथ, यू विल बी फाइन।
How lovely is that? I think it's very important for every individual to practice this. अगर हम थोड़ा सा सोच लें,
and it's life, it's not about profession, it's life,
it's life, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। और हर एक को ये स्ट्रेस आता है, ये टाइम आता है कि बस आई एम गिविंग अप, और इस तरीके से जब आप करते हैं, यहाँ पे आपका सब क्लियर हो जाता है, दैट देयर इज इनहेलेशन एक्सहेलेशन टेकिंग प्लेस, लंबी सांस लेके यू आर एब्सोल्युटली विदाउट थॉट, then you realize that is yoga. Yoga is union of body, mind and soul. It is alignment. It is not any of the beer yoga or the weight loss yoga or the yoga that we are speaking about. Yoga is about India. It is intrinsic to India's culture, India's ethnicity, and it is been given by Adi Yogi and Patanjali, I think more than 50,000 years back. We have made it into a kind of a commercial yoga, which is why we are not finding the time to look inwards or be, in tune with all our things. And we will know it is not just the body. The body is just there. We are the souls. And we have, each of us has a connect with the entire globe. At the end of the session, it is my request to all three of you to please let's cheer. Let's say 3 cheers for Amway. I'll say that at the end. And may I request Jaideep ji and Nivedita ji to please read out the special message to all the thousands and thousands of Amway employees all across the world. I'll be really delighted and obliged if you could read this out.
मैं इसी फोन पे हूँ. I think I have to go out and see that message. तो
अच्छा,
मैं अपनी तरफ से उतना कह देता हूँ. मैं कह देता हूँ छोटे वाले शब्दों में, फिर निवेदिता जी पढ़ देंगी कि thank you for joining us on this, and thank you for whatever you're doing to make this world, more natural and more healthy and more calmer in a side. Every one of you. And
how lovely. Yes.
बस
So sweet. But
इसी
Jaideep,
सफर
stay
पे
on.
रहिए. आप बहुत
Let
सारे
Nivi
लोगों के
read
लिए,
it.
बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए प्रेरणा बनेंगे आप. थैंक यू.
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. आप 2 मिनट इंतजार करें जयदीप जी. Nivedita will read this out.
Okay, I'm just reading it as it is. So
Yeah.
I am here to inform you all that the company Amway is concerned for the safety and well-being of all its direct sellers and their families, I think just like any other company. And thus, in the view of the ongoing pandemic, which is impacting travel around the world, Amway would like to postpone its Amway Leadership Business Seminar 2020 Abu Dhabi to the next year, 2021. The company is definitely going to organize the event when it is safe to travel, and also Abu Dhabi would like to welcome you all with open arms. So be patient and let this pass. I'm sure it's going to come into a good state. The whole world is going to come to a better place. Like Jaideep said, we all are going back to nature and basics, and I think that is the way to live.
And on that note, बहुत शुक्रिया तहे दिल से. जयदीप जी आपका, निवेदिता जी आपका, and Ajay sir आपका. And remember, when you have this Abu Dhabi trip, all of us are on. We're all coming for that, and that is a promise I've given to both my very
I
very
love
dear
traveling.
friends today.
We're happy to have you there. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I request all our viewers to join us again at 4:30 for another special segment. And don't forget to tune in at 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. for a very special session between Amish Tripathi, Subhash Ghai and Vivek Oberoi ji. Tab tak ke liye, namaskar. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can we have the ANS video? I think we had the video. Can we share the Abu Dhabi video for the?
Yes. And as we leave, we leave you with this video, which talks about Amway in Abu Dhabi. Thank you.